Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your Bluetooth not working on your iPhone. If you cannot connect to the device. So first of all, of course, you're going to go to Bluetooth settings. And after this, you of course want to turn the Bluetooth on. After that, you want to check if your device you want to connect, for example, I want to connect my AirPods. You want to make sure that your AirPods, for example, are charged and turned on. So this is one of the ways. You want to open up your case, for example, for AirPods, and so on. Another way is to go to your settings, scroll down until you see screen time, restrictions, and then, as you can see right here, Bluetooth sharing. So you want to allow all the changes right here. So make sure to do this to allow all changes. And the last thing to do is to go to your Bluetooth, to choose the device you want to connect, and click forget this device. Forget device, and after you will forget it, try to reconnect it again, and it should work. Also, try to restart your phone, turn it off and turn it on, and your Bluetooth problem should be fixed. So yeah, guys, that's how you fix your Bluetooth on iPhone. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.